Hi, I'm Yogesh Gokhale here. I am representing Capson Resource Corporation, a company who makes injection molding machines as well as coolers. And these are totally 100% made in India. Like injection molding machine parts, we made it in-house, including casting parts, including base frame parts, and those are made 100 ton to 1000 ton as a range. This is toggle type injection molding machine. It is spread all over India. We are now hoping for HIPLEX to get us new customers and a new base here in Hyderabad and around Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Yeah, that's what I mean. From last 2 days, we are getting quite good number of inquiries, which we can definitely get to convert it into business, and hopefully that would give us more courage, happiness to serve and to get it more motivated to enter in further deep market. Thank you.